Hi guys, so let us make tea sandwich. So this sandwich is actually very beautiful, very delicious, and anything you want to say about it. So first, you get your veggies. For the veggies, I'll be using carrots, I'll be using onions, I'll be using green bell pepper, I'll be using spring onions, and I'll be using tomato. So you're going to mix all this together, and then you're going to go in with your mayonnaise. So for the mayonnaise, you have to add enough mayonnaise to it. So if you're a mayonnaise person, you can add as many mayonnaise as you want to. If not, you can add just little, but it should just be enough, even if you're adding little. So now you can go in with your spices. I'm going to add salt. So you just sprinkle salt in it, not too much, just a little. Then I added parsley to it. So you can add this too. If you don't have it, no problem. You can skip that. Next, I added spicy pepper. So if you want it spicy, you can just add spicy pepper. So I want it very spicy, so I added enough. Then next, I added ginger and garlic powder to it, which is actually not compulsory. And also, if you want, you can sprinkle sugar in it, but I didn't use sugar. But if you want, you can sprinkle sugar in it, and then you just mix everything together. So that is that for the veggies. After mixing everything together, next thing to do is you would get your bread. So for your bread, you're using sliced bread, and you're going to remove the sides of the bread. So you're removing all sides of the bread, the four sides. After removing the sides of the bread, you're going to get your butter. So yeah, we'll be adding butter to it too. Please let us know in the comment section if you've missed our sandwich recipes, and let us know in the comment section what you think about this sandwich recipe. Do you like it? Will you try it? Let us know in the comment section. And also, please don't forget to like, please don't forget to comment, and please don't forget to subscribe if you've not. And after subscribing, please kindly turn on the notification bell so that anytime we post a new video, you'll be notified. So for the butter, you're spreading the butter on all your bread, like both the front and the back. That's the cover and the one you're putting the veggies. So you're spreading butter on everything. After that, you're going to spread your veg on the bread. So you're going to spread it round and spread it well on both bread, or on how many bread you're using. So you're just going to spread the veggies and make sure to spread well. So after spreading the veggies on it, next we're going to go with our cucumber. Yeah, you saw cucumber there that I sliced and I just kept aside. I kept it so that I can use it for now. I didn't keep it to throw away or to eat later. No, I kept it so I can use it for now. So if you can get small cucumber, the one that would size your bread, fine. I didn't see, so I got big cucumber and I had to just manage it like that. So now you're going to get your cucumber, your sliced cucumber, and you're going to spread it on top of this recipe. You're just going to arrange it nicely. So you arrange it the way it will enter. Actually, mine was big, so I couldn't really arrange it well. So you have to arrange yours well. Make sure to get the perfect size of your bread and just arrange your cucumber on it. So yeah, like this is how we are arranging the cucumber. After arranging the cucumber, you just cover your bread. And after covering your bread, now you have to cut the bread. So you can at least, or you can maybe press the bread down so that it sticks to each other, because now we're going to cut it into four. So you're cutting your bread into four. So carefully do this so it doesn't scatter actually. So you have to carefully do this part. So you're going to cut your bread into four, and after cutting your bread into four, we're going to go in with our tomato. Yeah, you saw tomato I sliced also at the beginning. Yeah, I also kept that one aside so that I can use it for now. So you're going to go in with your tomato after carefully and beautifully cutting your bread into four. You're going to go in with your potato. So this part you have to be very, 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 very careful so it doesn't scatter, because mine almost did. So you have to be very careful so that it doesn't actually scatter. So now after cutting your bread into four, you're going to start adding your tomato. So yeah, you apply your tomato on it like this, and then you're going to use toothpick on it. Yeah, that's the final step. You're going to add toothpick to it just like this, carefully and beautifully. Guys, as you can see, this is looking very beautiful and very nice. It is not just beautiful, guys. The taste is out of this world. Like, this sandwich is out of this world, guys. You can see how beautiful it's looking. Anyways, let us know what you think about this video in the comment section, and please leave your name and the country or state you're watching from for a shout out. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.